Hello guys, I'm here once again. Today I'm going to show you how to download the new Lelutka Substance Painter Clean Kit, which is over there. I'm going to show you in a bit. You guys know that you need to apply and be accepted for Lelutka, okay, to have access to the kits. Hey guys, we're in this page here, which is content creators. You guys gonna either register or either log in. If you already work with this, you guys will go to log in. Alright. Lelutka put the kits inside of the same kits that we used to work before. Okay guys, so all layers that we used to work are here, and the Substance Painter 1 file, it's on the HD layers, okay, either female or male. All right, hence you downloaded the HD layers folder. It will be the same kits that we had before. I think Lelutka had cleaned a little the PSD files as well, but the Substance Painter 1 will be this one over here. Alright guys, hence you had your Substance Painter open. Let's pretend that is blank here. Alright, as I said to you guys before, you can apply for a free student license and everything. I got accepted today, actually. But anyways, let's pretend it's a blank file here. It's all set. You have your softwares kind of open, closed, for this not to crash. But you're going to go to File, Open, and we're going to select our file, which is this one over there. Open. Alright guys, as you guys can see here, as the same as the PSD file, we have lots of layers going on here, which means that we have all the HD layers and some guides here as well. So if you guys are making HD makeup, you're going to use those, all right? For instance, here we're gonna use only this mesh here to work, all right? So you guys can leave the eyes if you guys need a guide for something, or something for the eyes, or make texture for the eyes, but as the same as in the PSD file, we're going to turn off for, working with our regular head. This one, the lashes. Okay guys, so if you guys click here, you guys will have all the HD layers already here, so you guys can make directly here on Substance Painter on each separate layer, right? So let's turn off the makeup, right? The makeup, which is the mouth and the eyes, the same exact thing as the PSD file, right? And another HD makeup thing here. The brows, right? The brows, I'm not sure if this one is the HD or the texture one, so I think it's kind of a guide or something. Yeah, the eyes, as I told you guys before, if I need to make texture for it, or even use as a guide. I think this is the SL UV so you guys can make your own nice texture as well. Boom. Okay, make some mesh. So guys, here's the mesh we're going to work, all right? And here on a separate layer, on the texture tab, I'm sorry, let's click on the head. Okay guys, as you guys can see here as well, we have the 3 texture already built in. All right, so you guys don't need to try to fix those seams or anything. I supposedly haven't worked with this particular mesh, but I will do in a soon tutorial. We'll make this week probably on a new method. I'm making skins, but anyways guys, here it is. Here we have the head texture over there, which is the base template. The face guides, which the face guides are actually the eyebrows, the hair base, an eyeliner, and the lip thingy. All right. I'm not going to show you how to work around with Substance Painter a lot, guys, but actually going to make layers here, and if you click Alt and you click on the mesh with the right button, you're going to turn the head or the mesh up, down to the sides. Okay, if you click Alt and scroll button, you pan the view. All right, as you can see, there's really light mesh, which is awesome. And for instance, here, just to show you guys quickly how we can work around with this. Actually, is really similar to the PSD, but we have some different things here to pay attention. Okay, so if you guys come here, which we have lots of issue going on, which is the ear part, the blending of the ear with the head, or either the neck. All right, so let's try to make a test here real quickly for those who already work. I'll grab a really awkward texture thing here and see what happens if we paint on those areas here. If you paint over there really awkwardly around the ears, look at that, guys. This is gonna be so much easier, I guess. Okay, the ears. So let's paint it. The ears. Okay. You guys can see in the 2D area what's going on the islands. And let's try to paint on the really awkward area, which is this part over there. Look at that, guys. Is it gonna be the end of the whole nightmare of those seams over there? Possibly. Yes, guys, look at that. It's really neat. Of course, it's a weird material thing, but if you guys can think this as a diffuse, diffuse only. I'm going to open the male one quickly here, just for you guys to see how the male version of this is. real quickly. This is the male head, guys, with all things turned on here, the lashes, the everything, and you guys can save directly here. That's really awesome, really awesome. Actually, thinking to myself now, you can turn on and off those features if you guys are making skins and everything, but I'll cover it later. So that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this new kit. Hope you guys can work easier with this, and hopefully Lelutka will join with a body company or brand soon to make a full dummy along with the Evox heads, so we can work as a whole, so we don't need to assemble different kinds of meshes. So, but this is a great gift from the store. Thank you, Lelutka. And see you guys next time. Keep working, keep crafting,